Okay. So, good evening, all my dear students. So, my name is Parashuram. So, I am handling the social science subject here. Uh, Already you have been the learning about the social science in the previous classes, isn't it? The many parts are there in the social science. For example, history, then geography, civics, like that. These are the parts of the social science. In the today's session, we have discussing about the first chapter in the syllabus, continents and the oceans. The continents and the oceans. Here, in the world, the whole world, so it should cover that the more than water, isn't it? That is the ocean. So we have discussing about, so how many fingers are there in my hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. Are the same. In the world, how many continents are there? There are the 7 continents. 7 continents. 7 continents are there, isn't it? Here, now let us study about the continent. The whole world, the covered, or it includes that the land, the whole world, land, and the mountains. On the land, the mountains, the oceans. Oceans, it means the source of water. Before I will ask one question to you people. Dear students, so which is the main source of the water? Main source of the water. The main source of the water? Is the main source of the water? That is the rain. Rain is the main source of the water. Suppose we are not getting the rain, there is no single drop of the water on the land. That means the rain is the main source of the water. When the rain has fallen, the sources like well, river, stream, the seas and oceans should be filled up by the rain. That is the main source of the water. In the previous class, so we have learned that the water. Water on the earth is shown in blue, while the land is shown in green or brown. Here, the learned that water on the earth is shown in a blue. Water is shown in a blue color. Blue, while the land is shown in a green or brown. When the drop of the water comes to the land, while on the land, now the water is shown green or brown color. Why? Why the water is change the color, change the color? Here, when we should get the water by the rain, the color is the blue color. Blue color. Isn't it? See here, after that, while on the land, the water it should change the color. Change the color. But green or a brown. Dear students, did you understand what I am telling? When we should get the water by the rain, the basic color of the water, that is, we shown the blue color. And while it comes the land, the change is color by green or a brown. The many days, the water it has stuck in the particular area, in a area. The water it will become a green or a brown color. So dear students, what I am telling, and what is that in Kannada? So ನೀರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು ಅಂದಾಗ, ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಬಿತ್ತು ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಸೊ ತನ್ನ ಬಣ್ಣನ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, the water fallen on the red soil, the water it seems to red or a brown color or a green color or sharp brown color, like that. ನೀರು ಆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ all major land masses are surrounded by water. Yes, all major land masses surrounded by the water. Here, all the major land masses surrounded by the water. The continents are surrounded by the water. That is called, the large land masses that we see on the globe are called continent. Yes, come to the point. What is continent? Dear students, what is continent? Here, I'll give the definition of the continent. See here. What is continent? The large land masses. What is continents? What is continent? Here, the large land masses. Large land masses that we see on the globe, are called continents. The large land masses that we see on the globe are called a continent. But I want the globe. Yes, in the next class I will show it. I will show that globe. The shape of the earth, the round shape. or orange shape. I think you have to study it in the last class. What is the shape of the earth? Like orange fruit shape, like orange color, orange not color, orange fruit shape, orange fruit shape. So the whole land, it should be land masses. It means the whole land, the land masses that we see on the globe, globe are called the continents. So ಭೂಮಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಭೂಮಿನ ನಾವು ವಿಶಾಲವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಭೂಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Then what are the oceans? Now we are discussing about the oceans. You should clear the definition. What is continent? The large land masses that we see on the globe are called continents. Once again I will repeat that definition of the continent. Large land masses on the globe, large land masses that we see on the globe are called the continents. That is the definition of the continent. And let us. So what is ocean? 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 Here the large water bodies, the large water bodies on the surface of the earth, surface of the earth are called ocean. Here the large water bodies, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲ್ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿ ಹರಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಆ ಜಲ ಅಥವಾ ನೀರಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಷಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಷಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವಿಶಾಲವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೊ Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, like that. Here simply you know the definition of the ocean means the large water bodies on the surface of the earth are called the ocean. The millions of years ago, when the earth has made, we knowing about the Big Bang theory. I think you have studied in the last year. Big Bang theory. Many years ago, when the earth has formed, the millions of years ago, all continents were joined together as one supercontinent called Pangaea. Supercontinent that is called, yes, what is that? The Pangaea. Gradually the Pangaea broke up into the land masses and drifted apart from the continents. Yes, all 7 continents they have together, joined together. There is no separate. Here one continent is there is another one continent is there. There is nothing at all. All the 7 continents joined together as one, the supercontinent that is called the Pangaea, isn't it? And let us, we studied about that, the 7 continents. How many continents are there in the world? The 7 continents. Already you have to knowing about the continents and the ocean. Already I told the 7 continents are there. And what is continent? What is the large land masses that we see on the globe are called the continent. What is that? Once again I repeated that definition of the continent. The large land masses that we see on the globe are called continent. And what is an ocean? The large water bodies on the surface of the earth are called ocean, isn't it? And we will discussing about that the 7 continents. 7 continents. Yes, 7 continents. Here, the 7 continents of the world are Asia. So, which are those? The first one is Asia. Then second one is Africa. Third one is North America. Then fourth one is South America. Then Antarctica. Then sixth one is Europe. Then seventh one is Australia. Yes, here. Already I told that 7 continents in the world. Which are those 7 continents? The first is Asian continent, African continent, the North American continent, South American continent, Antarctica continent, Europe continent, and Australia continent. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, how many continents are there? The word 7 continents. So, which are those? First one is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia continent. And we will discussing about that the Asian continent. Asian continent. Here, in the whole world, the biggest continent is the Asian continent in the whole world. So, which is the biggest continent in the world? That is Asian continent. Now, we will discuss about the Asian continent. So, which are the sources? Which are the natural sources are available in the Asian continent, and how many population it is included, and which are the mountains it will be available, and its spread. So, the north and south, east and west. Geographically, we should study it. Here, the Asia is the largest continent. So, which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent in the world. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಖಂಡ ಯಾವುದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಖಂಡ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Some of the world's largest, the most populated countries such as China. Yes, the highest population in the world. So which country include the highest population in the world? China. The first highest population in the world, China and India. The second highest population of the world, in which country? That is India. China and India are located in the Asian continent. Yes, China and India, it includes highest population in the world. Those are located in the Asia. Isn't it? So, ಈ ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆನ ಹೊಂದಿದಂತ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಚೀನಾ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಭಾರತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಅವರ್ ನೇಷನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ದ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. Isn't it? The Asia is surrounded by Pacific Ocean in the east. Yes, the Asian continent is surrounded by the which ocean? Pacific Ocean. In the east. Yes, I'll ask one more question. The Asian continent surrounded by which ocean? The Pacific Ocean. In which direction? Already you want to study in the directions in the last year, or you have studied in the last chapter. In the which direction? East direction. In the east. Yes. Next, here the Arctic Ocean in the north. The Asian continent is surrounded by the ocean in the north. That is the Arctic Ocean. Surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in which direction? North direction. Here, the Asian continent surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north direction. Isn't it? Here, and India in the Indian Ocean in the south. Indian Ocean in the south.